Hi, welcome back to Charles Waits 25. It's almost Halloween time, and I'm so excited. I'm very excited for this moment to have Halloween and Christmas. I already got my costume and I got everything decorated. Okay, let's start reading The Sound of App. If you want, you can try reading yourself. If you went to the beach before, I went to the beach before. I know, it's so fun. Map. Let's get started reading. I'm sorry about that. Let's start. Map. Cap. It's hard to turn these pages. Lap. Jet. Gap. Keep on getting that one. Sap. Ooh. Have you ever heard of sap from pine tree or maple tree? Yeah, it's pretty sticky. That reminded me of syrup. Nap. Trap. Looks like he trapped a raccoon. And wrap. I got a present for my teacher, Miss Johnson. It's a turtle, but it's made of rock, which is pretty fun. I wonder how much it was, though. My mom paid for it, which is doing the video right now. Snap. Clap. Is that all? Oh, here's the information for parents. I'll give you about 30 seconds to read. Okay. Let's move on. Thank you for watching Charles Read, and don't forget to read to your parents and stay warm. We'll see you on Saturday. Bye.